Hey there, welcome back. Today we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're at La Mesa, and we're going to look at a 2025 Brinkley. This is the 3400. If you've never seen a Brinkley before, wait till you see this. Let's do it. All right, we always like to start on the outside up here in the front storage. As you can see, it is completely finished. It is very large. There's doors here that get access to plumbing and wiring. There's electrical out here, and you've got showers. I like the flooring in here, same on the wall up there. Very well done. If you look just below here, there's a cabinet here. This is for your stairs for the back. We'll show you the back in a little bit, but there's actually a dedicated cabinet for that. Oops, rest that closed. Two 30-pound propane tanks, one on this side, one on the other. This is a 6-point hydraulic leveling system. Looking up, you have frameless windows. There are two awnings, one that starts all the way at the front of the RV and goes to the door, and the second one is on the slide that's just past the door. You have the Moride self-level step system with an extended handle here, which I love. Okay, upgraded road armor suspension. Now, when we get around to the back, driving down the road, you think it's a toy hauler, but it is not. This is an outdoor patio, party, outdoor kitchen kind of area. It is not a toy hauler, but they're using that sort of toy hauler door, if you will, to create a back porch and an extra living area, which is really neat. There's a Thule awning that comes out. There's a TV back here. You know what? We'll get a little bit closer from the inside. But those stairs that we were showing you a minute ago, they connect back here so you can have access to it from the back. Moving around to the far side here, you do have access to this area through this little door as well. One of your sewer connections is right here. You have another sewer connection right here as well. They've already installed a place for you to keep your stinky slinkies. Your power connection is obviously right there. Moving further forward, here's your water bay and the other side of that really large front storage. I also like Brinkley does the split door so you can have full access. The door is not in your way because there's a slide here. So they split the door so you can still have full access. There's another one of these under-mounted cabinetry. That is for a ladder. Right, with that door on the back, the ramp, you can't have a ladder to get to the roof, so they include a ladder so that you can get up there. All right? Your level system, your controller is right there. Here is your other 30-pound propane tank. Okay. Let's take a look at the numbers, Lisa. This has a gross vehicle weight of 16,995 pounds and a cargo carrying capacity of 2,593 pounds. Moving to the front, you've got a Lippert pin box, and this is actually your utility cabinet. This is where your reservoir is and your pump for your hydraulic system. Your batteries go in here. You got your inverter in here. If you were putting a generator, the generator would go in here as well. So there you go. That's it for the outside. Let's go look at the inside. Hey, we want to thank Scott, Matt, and Ty from La Mesa for having us here. And if you like one of these RVs that you're seeing that we've showed you, give Ty a call. His phone number is 505-615-4052. Now, if you didn't know, New Mexico is a little bit different than most states, and there are some rules and laws and regulation here that benefit RVers. So if you're looking for one, you might find one of the better deals here in New Mexico. If you do, give Ty a call and tell him the tall man sent you. Now, we look at a lot of RVs, guys, and I got to tell you, we love Brinkley. Brinkley is at our top of the list for the quality they put into their builds. If you look when you come in here, and these are little things, Lisa, pan the cabinet, the camera up. Right? These walls go all the way up into the roof. And so there doesn't need to be a piece of molding there because they build it. Everything is solid wood. They start off with their own frame. They're building their own frame, their own chassis themselves, and they build it all the way up. Very, very well built, solid surface, all residential appliances. If you're really seriously in the market for an RV, whether it's a travel trailer or a fifth wheel, you should take a look at a Brinkley. All right, so as you come in here, your living and kitchen is here. You have opposing slides, but it's a slightly different take because of the outdoor space. Your living area is sort of here. You've got your two theater chairs here, which are part electric, part manual. The recline feature is manual. You just pull that and you recline, all right? and your place to storing your remotes, and there's a wireless charge plate for your phone if you need that. Across from here is a little sofa, a little love seat, excuse me, with some cabinetry above. In fact, there's cabinetry above my head as well. All soft closed doors and drawers. Right across from me is your TV. It is on a televator, so if you want to see what's out the window that's behind here, you just push this button that's right here, and the TV will go down, and you can see out that window, okay? Do you have a really generous sized fireplace? Lisa loves the fireplaces.
I do.
Warming those freakishly tiny cold feet of hers.
Absolutely.
Right? And then there's this massive kitchen.
I know. Look at this. Solid surface countertops everywhere. We've got this huge island. We've got a large single basin sink with a tall faucet. Now over here, Brinkley does a really good job of customizing their space. So you've got your trash and your recycle bin. You've got paper towel holders, place for your bags, storage bags and things like that. Huge space underneath the sink, right? There's not a whole lot of plumbing underneath there. You do have two of these drawers, this shorter drawers, and then one tall drawer here.
So even the drawers, guys, they're dovetailed, right? They're solid wood, right? Just
great construction.
Great construction.
Yeah. Plenty of countertop space on the side of this 3-burner stove and oven. Solid surface again.
Love it.
Yes. And look at all of the storage space. Isn't that unbelievable?
Nice.
Just a lot of storage space.
Man, you're cooking good Chinese food in here.
Yeah.
Right? Because you're going to have like 27 bowls of all the different ingredients.
At least. So you do have a large microwave, and again, plenty of storage. Now, over on this side, yeah, we have all these drawers. So this is kind of separated a little bit.
Nice.
I think this section.
That's just an insert, yeah.
Yeah.
And the big one at the bottom.
Yes, and then the big
Pots
one
and
at the
pans, the
bottom.
peg system there.
Exactly. Love it.
Over here, you have your pantry. These are solid, guys. Those shelves aren't going to smile at you. And they're adjustable, so you can adjust it for the goods that you're putting in there. Moving on, we got a Furrion side-by-side residential style refrigerator. It works on 12 volts, so it works going down the road. And you got tall man cabinetry.
Yes, that's where you're going to put all of those snacks you don't want me to get to.
Absolutely. Heck, I probably can't. I could get to them if they're right here, but man, I can't get all the way to the back. So. Well, let's go outside.
Before we do, though, can we take
we forgot about the dining table, right?
Yeah, the dual purpose.
Right.
Here.
So this sets in 4 different positions. By the way, this is an ottoman. It moves around. It's just everything's tied down. Guys, this is brand new. It just got here a few days ago. Okay. So our timing is perfect. Brand new 2025. So that ottoman, you can put it down there at the sofa. And I'll give this back to Lisa. This top actually opens up. There's storage inside. But the way that it opens up, it becomes like its own table.
Yeah, a little desk area.
So, yeah, but if you have it at the sofa, you could eat there.
You can eat there. You can play card games.
Yep.
Anything that you need that extra space for.
But this section here moves. They put a great diagram here. So they call this the breakfast nook. Here's a right L desk position. There's your dining position, which they are meant to use that as the dining position. And then you've got a left desk position. So they make it from me, the lefty.
There you go.
Because I'm a left desk person. Anyway. All right, so let's go outside. So out here, there is also a huge TV out here as well, with speaker system. And so, if you're having a big party and you're watching the game or whatever, you can do that outside. And you can do it inside too. You have a mini fridge, not even a micro. So decent sized refrigerator out here, sink, cabinetry above and below. So really nice. I can just see grilling out here having a big party. Can't you guys see that?
Absolutely.
I can. Nope. Let's keep on going. I love this model.
Me too.
We saw this model, I think it debuted, we saw it at the Florida State Fair, but it was 2024. This one being brand new. We wanted
the Florida RV Super Show.
The Florida RV Super Show. Yeah. Oh, you know what time it is?
It's time for Tall Man's Toilet Test.
All right. If I haven't mentioned it yet, I'm 6'4", so use my height as reference as we're walking around the RV. Also, if this is your first time finding one of our videos, do us a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, become part of the Tall Man Clan. It is free to you, costs you absolutely nothing, and it really does help out the channel, and Lisa and I would sincerely appreciate it. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm sitting on a porcelain foot flush toilet. It's actually raised up a little bit. It's kind of unique. And as you can see, I got plenty of leg room. Okay. Shoulders, I'm a little tight on the shoulders, but it's not bad. I definitely would give it 2 thumbs up for the tall and flush. Over to my left, Lisa's right, is your under countermount sink. Again, solid surface, even in the bathroom. You've got some storage underneath. Up top, it's a little bit shallow here. I'll take that. I'm a little further back. The pipes, the plumbing's in the way up top, but not down the bottom, and it goes all the way back there. Okay, you got 3 drawers here, right, and a huge backlit mirror, which you see from. There's just no height challenges at all for me in a Brinkley. Now there is no medicine cabinet in here, so you're probably gonna have to use one of these drawers for that. Behind the toilet, there is cabinetry for putting your towels, and it's so wide that you don't have to roll them up. Okay, you can fold them.
Love that.
Right? They also have mounted a place for the toilet paper right there, which is great. A couple hooks as well. So let's climb in the shower, because I also love the showers in Brinkley. This is actually, you could actually fit 2 people in here comfortably.
Yeah, you might be
right?
able to.
You basically, it's just about a walk-in shower because it's just about flat to the floor. And as you see at my height, I'm not even close to the ceiling, guys.
No.
If I was standing
over the top, I can't see.
I know, right? I have to stand up. I mean, on my tippy toes. You could be 6'9" and stand in the shower. So you got an upgraded rain shower head, body washes, you got a hand wand. Yeah, a couple of baskets up front, plus a little shelf down there, as well as one in the back. Yeah, I think I'm the very first person to stand in the shower.
You might be.
All right, there's 2 entrances in the bathroom, one from the hallway Lisa's standing in, and you have dedicated access from the bedroom as well. This will be an RV King mattress. This is 70 by 78. So 70 this way, 78 this way. It should have the bamboo mattress, which is fine. Okay. Because it's an RV King, there are no nightstands, but they put shelves up top for you. There's USB charging ports up there. You've got those nice lights as well that you can move around if you're reading a book. There is 110 power, regular shore power down there, typically on the ground. You don't see it?
I don't see it.
It's up high.
It is.
And it's the same on this
Hidden
side.
by the plastic from the mattress.
Yeah.
There it is.
So there's power for your CPAPs if you need them. Okay.
Same on that side?
And it's the same on that side.
Beautiful.
You do have day shades and night shades in here. Across from the bed, there's hidden storage up on your dresser, as well as 7 drawers, TV mounted there, ready to go. This is prepped for a stackable washer dryer, or you could just do a combo if you wanted and then have extra hanging. But if you're doing the full stackable, you still have a huge closet all the way up in the front. Love the lighted hang bar.
Me too.
Right? Adds just a ton of light up in there.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
And there's power in there, and it's cordless vacuum prep already. Some cubbies in there. Very nice.
So there you go, guys. A 2025 Brinkley, right? I don't know if we're the first to see these or not, because they literally, like I said, just got here a few days ago. All right? Let us know what you think of this model. 3400 with the party patio in the back. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Leave a comment below and let us know what you think. And until we see you somewhere else on the road, be safe.